Hi, I'm Marie Jenkins from Advance Your Wellbeing, and in today's video we're looking at Be Active, which is part of the 5 Ways to Wellbeing model. Be Active is exactly what it says on the tin. We can easily become complacent about our physical health, and especially in the last year when we've been predominantly working and living in our day-to-day lives at home. It's hugely important to take some form of physical activity daily. It's obvious that being physically healthier will improve your life expectancy, but it's important to ensure you maintain physical health, whatever your level of ability. This may seem obvious, but how many of us do it? Whatever your preference, from walking, cycling, to being more into extreme activities, it's important to make time to be active. From half an hour a day, working out at home, from a YouTube fitness video. We've all loved watching Joe Wicks this year, to taking part in a weekly local community park run. And hopefully they'll be back on in the new year. The point is here, you need to ensure you make time within your weekly schedule to do something. That's why it's important to create these positive habits. Whatever your preference, the point is, be active. If you're interested in joining us for our 5 Ways to Wellbeing workshop on the 7th of January, look in the comments below for the Eventbrite link and we'll see you then. Thanks a lot.